This is the early morning hours of Saturday, July 25th, 2020 in Memphis. And once again, I'm out near Poplar Avenue, which is the street that my apartment is on. And I could not resist making another video because we got three beautiful bright planets in the sky. Of course, above the southern horizon there we see Jupiter, the bright one, and Saturn, slightly dimmer above it, slightly to its left. I'm going to zoom in so we can see those two beautiful planets very well there. A little bit more. So that's Jupiter and Saturn. Of course, the two largest planets in the solar system. Zoom back out. May still be able to see Saturn there. It's about the limit that I can pick up with this camera without zooming. Looking over here to the east, Mars is quite a bit brighter. And of course the Earth is chasing Mars around the Sun. It's ahead of us right now in its orbit. We just passed Jupiter. Oh, it's been about a week. We passed directly between the Sun and Jupiter. That's called opposition, so we catch up with the outer planets as we orbit the Sun. And then we caught up with Saturn a couple days later. So that's the point when they're visible all night long. They rise when the sun sets because they're directly opposite the Sun in the sky. Of course, they orbit much more slowly than the Earth does. Jupiter orbits the Sun every 12 Earth years and Saturn every 30 Earth years. So we catch them pretty readily. Now recall back about April, I think it was, when Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars were all together. Now Mars has moved off to the east because it's closer to the Sun than Jupiter or Saturn. In fact, it's only 1.5 times as far from the Sun as Earth is, so it moves quite a bit faster. But the Earth is still chasing it on the inside track, and it's going to catch up with it. I'm not sure of the exact date. Of course, this is July, so I'm going to say, since Mars is continuing to move east, probably about the end of August, early September. And then Mars will be very bright, because the orbital dynamics will bring it to a relatively close pass, as it does every 15 years. And then Mars will be as bright as Jupiter is, if not slightly brighter. So again, that's a little bit about the orbital dynamics of these beautiful planets of our solar system, including the Earth. Again, Mars, Saturn, and Jupiter in the early morning hours of July 25th in Memphis. Thank you for watching.